Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for the 20th of October 2023. So let me share my screen with you. Right. So start with Forex Factory. Let's see first of all today. Sorry, yesterday I was a bit busy. I couldn't upload the analysis. And let's see what happened today in the market. And although the main news was positive, and other news, media impact was negative. But however, although it was positive, but because of the situation of the war, what's going on in Palestine and with Palestine and Israel, and that's why, and the market didn't quite react much to the news. The gold is very bullish, and I'm expecting it to possibly cross the all-time high. And let's see what happened in gold, and we'll take it from there. This is a daily chart, and we did see a movement of almost 1947 to 1977. That's 30, 1947 to 90. That's $30 move. That's nearly 300 pips movement today. It's amazing, and I'm expecting next movement around 1985 to 2000 level. And these are the levels which I mark, and I use different colors. I try to use different colors, especially for the gold. And you can see my Telegram channel. Red one is usually a monthly colors, and there are different colors for weekly is yellow, and orange is the daily, and then I use blue for 4 hour, and green is for any other time frames. Right. That's the situation in gold. It's pretty straightforward. If I recommend take only buy trades when the situation arises. Now we may see some pullback. However, if we don't, just take a buy trade on the breakout. It may not even give it a retest. So what the situation can be in now, where the gold stands right now, and you can see this. Sorry, gold can come here and go up to this level, or even break on the breakout. You can take a sell trade up to this level possibly, and on top level we got this zone next. So market on the breakout of this, we can take a buy trade. As you can see, multiple times you have seen that if a level is broken with the momentum and the market is very bullish, it doesn't even properly retest that level. So take your best strategy, how you can manage that risk, because there's not always a good retest you find, especially these days because of the situation and big fundamental news going on. And I expect this to be probably next few weeks. It can remain, but let's see how it goes. Right. And Dixie, let's see what's happening in Dixie. And Dixie, right. Dixie made this M pattern, and it's not quite made yet. So I'm expecting the market to come down here, and then it will be properly M pattern, and that's in daily. And 4 hour, this is a level, as you can see. The market it can go up and then come down, or even looking at smaller time frame. This is a resistance. This is resistance level, so market can come down from here because it's at testing this resistance of the breakout of this resistance level. So that's it. I know we know that Dixie and gold usually move opposite direction, but not these days always, especially because of the fundamental situation in the market. Right. So that's it. I believe it's helpful for you. But one thing more, for news for tomorrow, we have GBP news, high impact news. If you trade in GBP pairs, especially GBP JPY, and that can be useful for you. And also, and medium impact news in USD at 2 p.m. and CAD 1:30 p.m. CAD prices may affect the gold as well. And so rest of NZD we have medium impact. And CNY we have a medium impact, but mainly interested in USD heavy impact news, or even sometimes medium impact as well, but normally heavy impact news. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this is helpful, and I wish you all the best in your trading. Thank you.